ఈ మధ్య యాక్చువల్గా స్వచ్ఛమైనటువంటి తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం అలవాటైంది, కానీ అదే అంట. కానీ కొన్ని విషయాలు చెప్పాలి, కొన్ని కొటేషన్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే ఉన్నాయి. ఇది నరేంద్రనాథ్ కొటేషన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే, as far as Koti is concerned, I mean, it's Koteshwara, affectionately call him Koti. ఈ హాస్పిటల్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి? Koti actually, మాకందరికి is very dear to us for being, we have discussed the upright forthrightness of Dr. G.N. Rao garu, of Nageshwara garu, of Naren, and Koti is one such people. So it's nice that this team has come together. Normally I don't give him a lot of compliments, more abuse than compliments. Koti left several lucrative posts over his journey in the last few years because he didn't agree with the way these hospitals were run, their ethical standards, and their human relations, and their honesty and concern for the patients. So he decided the only way was to set one up himself, which was hugely high quality, transparent, and giving excellent care to the patients. And Venkat and myself dissuaded him a lot for nearly 5 years, saying that, look, you're not going to do this, just go away, live happily ever after somewhere. He had a consultant job to go to in England and another job in the US, but he proved us wrong. When I walked into his hospital some months ago and saw this beautiful structure coming up, I was really touched. And then I had to tell him, well, it's good for skeptics like us to actually see this beauty in reality, so you've done a great job and keep it up with you. So that's Koti for you, and I'm sure he's going to go from strength to strength to strength, and we're all with you there, Koti, and we'll see it happen pretty soon, and whatever we can do, we will do. Just to hit on the lighter side of things, Narendranath is really not so stern and firm. He's got a side, a wickedly funny side to him, which most people don't see. I mean, all his close friends do. I've known Naren for nearly 40 years. He was the leader of our opposition in college. రోజు పొద్దున్నే మాకు థింకర్ స్టాచ్యూ అని ఉంటుంది గుంటూరు మెడికల్ కాలేజ్లో. సో మేము కొంచెం లేజీ ఫెలోస్, మేమంతా we were all the leftists and Naren was the right. Fact is, he's more left than most of us. This is the reality. So పొద్దున్నే న్యూస్, ఈజ్ avid reader, అన్ని బుక్స్ అన్ని చదివేసి ప్రాంప్ట్గా వచ్చేసాడు అన్నమాట పొద్దున్నే. మేము వెళ్తే ఈ కమ్యూనిస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ అంతా థింకర్ స్టాచ్యూ దగ్గర నరేన్ ముందు ఫేస్ చేయాలి, ఎదురుగా చెట్టు కింద. సో రాగానే అడిగేవాడు అనమాట, ఏంటి వాళ్ళు మీ పోలాండ్లో ఇట్లా చేశారు, మీ రష్యాలో ఇట్లా చేశారు అని అటాక్. ఇతన్ని ఎదుర్కోవాలంటే ముందు మేము చదవాలి న్యూస్ పేపర్లు. సో అందరం టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లు చదివినా చదవకపోయినా న్యూస్ పేపర్స్, బుక్స్, పాలిటిక్స్ రెడీగా చదివి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి వెళ్ళేవాడు అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే నరేన్ ఉంటాడు అక్కడ పెద్ద బ్రహ్మరాక్షసి అందరినీ తినేయడానికి. So we all used to go really prepared to face Naren in the college. That's how actually some good habits we learned, like reading newspapers regularly. It and manchi alavatlu, thanks to Naren, we learned in those days because we had to face this guy. Second interesting, what do you call that, quotation attributed to Naren is, he was in England. Everybody tries to stay for the full 5 ఏళ్ళు వీసా ఉంటే 5 ఏళ్ళు ఉంటారు అక్కడ పని చేసుకుంటారు. 4 ఏళ్ళకో 3 ఏళ్ళకో మనవాడికి ఊరి మీద గాలి మళ్ళింది. సో అట్ అబౌట్ 3 years. Okay. I'm happy to announce all good things. Yeah, those of you who want to get onto the bar, please do so. సో నరేన్ అది కొటేషన్ ఏంటంటే, వాళ్ళ చీఫ్ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆర్ ప్రొఫెసర్ ఆస్ నరేంద్రనాథ్, ఏందయ్యా అందరూ అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో అడిగి ఉంటాడు, తెల్ల అతను కదా, తెలుగు రాదు అతనికి, ఏంటి యూ గాట్ 5 years టు స్టే హియర్, వై ఆర్ యూ లీవింగ్ ఎర్లీ? సో నరేన్ సెడ్, I have to go back to India. I can't live in any place where there is no pollution or corruption. True story. So there you are. I think I'm really privileged to have met and journeyed along with all these wonderful people. I've known Dr. Nageshwara Garu and had the privilege of, and his lovely wife, and had the privilege of visiting their wonderful institute and seeing a lot of things. And although we don't meet very often, there's a lot I hear from people. And all his work is spread all over the city to see. You can't go past, travel for more than 10 minutes without getting in to see monuments of his work all over the place. So Nageshwara, I hope you continue this wonderful work for many, many years to come. And a lot of people, a lot of us take inspiration from you. And we try to imitate you in some sort of a small way, if we can't do the whole thing. Thanks to United Hospitals, I've had the privilege to meet Love Nageshwara Garu, and it's a very inspiring story. So, life has all good things. So it's a journey of meeting just lots and lots of wonderful people. And may this continue and all wonderful things happen to all of you, all of us, and all power to you, Koti. May United just grow from strength to strength to strength. Thank you.